welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So the reason why I think the retro game 350 metal is just so cool, because homebrew games are just a very nice addition to this handheld. Why, you ask? Very simple. Let's play some, let's do some extended testing, and let's go. First game, Apricots. If I'm pronouncing it correctly, this is just a very basic old school shooter. I'm not good at it, but I want to give you a quick gameplay. Astro, one of these games, or better said, one of the many games you can find in the homebrew scene for the retro game 350 / Open Dinguks. And this is a very old school game that I played quite some times. I don't know what the original game was called, but you just need to land your shuttle on the position in the stage. Pretty basic, but very challenging. Can't get more wicked than this. The Vinya X2. You play like it with a carrot or what? Block Rage, it's basically a ripoff from Columns from Sega back in the day. The controls are a little bit strange in my opinion, but what I also like about these homebrew games is we're having a lot of great puzzle games. The Flappy Bird for Open the Nukes. And in the collection of Homebrew, we are going to find some old school ones like Minesweeper. Brings me back to the Windows 98 times, when you had nothing to do and you just wanted to play some Minesweeper to kill some time.
Questa
So that concludes the homebrew testing for the Retro Game 350, and I hope you really enjoyed it. I really like the Retro Game 350M or the normal version, especially with the homebrew games. A lot of people were buying this for emulation, but I think the homebrew scene is pretty amazing, and this was just a small grab of the many games out there. Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next video.